வணக்கம். In chapter 1.3, we are learning special characters. Vishesh Patra. Today we are going to see Samaswar Akshar. That means consonants without vowel sound. Okay, it means Hindi half letters. Okay, today we are going to learn how to write Hindi half letters. Okay, and consonants without vowel sound. Okay, vowels. What are the vowels? A, I, E, U, Ri, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay. Today we are going to write that consonants. I mean Vyanjan akshar without vowel sound. Without vowel sound means without E that sounds. Okay. So now without vowel sound, the consonants are called half letters. Okay. For example, this is cat. Okay. Here, if you remove the right curve of this cat means now it is called ik. Okay. Now that vowel sound is missing. No. In that ka, a sound is there. Okay. After removing this right curve, this letter is pronounced as ik. There is no vowel sound. Okay. So here for half letter writing, you have to remove right curve in this from this letter. Now it is called ik. Like that, this is fa. Now you have to remove this right curve. Now it is pronounced as fa. Sorry, if. Fa converted to if. Half letter. Okay. This is half letter of fa. This is half letter of fa. Ik, if. Okay. You can write this half letters in this format also. Okay. This symbol is called haland. Haland. Okay. If you put haland below this ka means now it is called ik. It is called if. Okay. You can write it in two formats. Okay. Okay. The first example, you have to remove right curve. So this vyanjan, this consonant now lost its vowel sound. Now it is pronounced as ik. This fa is pronounced as if. Okay, these are called half letters. Then another example, ka, ga, ga. Okay, in this ka, one standing line is there, no? In this ka and ga, ga. Okay, standing line is there. Okay, in this you have to remove the standing line. Okay, standing line. You have to remove standing line. Now, it lost, after removing this standing line, this consonant lost its vowel sound. Okay, now it is called ik. 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 Okay, ik. 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 Okay, you can write those letters in this format, this half letters in this format also by putting haland. If you put haland means this letter is also pronounced as ik, ik, ik. Okay. The first example you have to remove right curve. The second example you have to remove standing line. Okay, the third example, ta, ta, ta. Okay, the third example, okay, you have to put halang the symbol. Below that, curve. Okay, below that curve, you have to put halang. Sorry. These are curved letters, no? You have to put halang below this curved letters. Now, those letters pronounced as it, it, it. Okay. The first example, see the letters. The right curve is there means you have to remove right curve. The second example, in a standing line letters, you have to remove standing line. The third example, curved letters. In that, you have to put halang symbol. Okay. Now you learned how to write half letters. I mean, a consonants without vowel sound. Next one. Next one, barak kadi. Barak kadi. This barak kadi is formed by the joining of vowels and consonants. Okay, now we see how joining of vowels and consonants happened. Okay, see these are vowels, no? E, U. This is one letter is missing here. Ri, ru, a, I, o, au, ha. Okay, these are vowels. Okay, for joining vowels with consonants, we have to use these symbols. These symbols are called matra. In Hindi, in Hindi, symbol means matra. Okay, matra. Okay, these matras are we have to use these matras. Okay, by joining the vowels with consonants to form Bharat Gadi. Okay, here no symbol. For a, no symbol. Okay, you have to put one standing line. Okay, this is E, symbol for E. This is symbol for E. This is symbol for U. This is symbol for U. This is matra for before that Ri or Ru. Okay, for this symbol is this curve only. This curve. Okay, see this curve. This is used. Okay, this matra is used for Ri or Ru. The next one for A, this matra, I, this matra, O, this is the matra, Au, this is the matra. For only the dot, aha, the two dots. Okay, these are the symbols used to when joining vowels with consonants to form Barak Hakadi. Okay, here how to use that symbols. See, for A, there is no symbol. Okay, there is no symbol. And for A, this is the symbol. You have to use this matra after that consonant. For example, ka means you have to put this matra after the ka. Okay, after ka. The next one E. This is the symbol for E. For example, you have to put this matra before ka. Before ka. Okay. Before ka, you have to use this matra. Then E. Okay, you have to use this matra after that ka. After that ka. Then U. You have to use this matra below ka, below that ka. Some exception is there. For example, this is ra. This is ra, no? In that ra, you have to put this matra in the middle of the ra. Okay, you should not put this matra below the ra. Okay, you have to put this matra the middle of ra. The middle of ra. The next one, oo. This you have to put this matra below ka. For ra, you have to put this matra in the middle. The middle. Okay. Then ri a ru. This is the symbol for matra for ri a ru. Okay. You have to put this matra below ka. Some exception. For ha, you have to put it in the middle. Okay. Here. Here you have to put this matra. Then for ra, no ri a ru format. For ra, there is no ri a ru format. Okay, there is no format. Not only for ra, for la also. For la also. Ra, la. There is no ri a ru matra format. Okay. The next one, ye. Ye. How to put this matra above ka. Then ye, sorry, I. For I, you have to put this matra above that ka. Then o. This matra should come after ka. Okay. Ow. This matra should come after ka. Then you have to put this dot above ka. Aha. You have to put these two dots after ka. Okay. Here you see ka. This is vowel ka. This is consonant. Now we are going to join this with this. Okay. For a, there is no matra. The next one, a. Okay. Here on standing line. Now for joining this vowel with the consonant, now we put this matra. Okay. After this ka. Now it is called ka. Ka. This is a sound, no? So we have to pronounce the same sound. Ka. Okay. Now e. You have to put this matra before that ka. Now it is called ki. 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 Short sound. Okay. Now e. Have to put this matra after the ka. Now it is called ki. Long sound. Okay. Ki. This is who. Okay. This is matra for who. Now you have to put this matra below that ka. Now it is called ku. Ku. Short sound. Ku. This is who. Okay. This is the matra you have to put below this ka. Okay. This now called ku. Ku. Long sound. This is a. You have to put this matra above that ka. Now it is called k. 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 Okay. K. This is I. Now you have to put the above this ka. Now it is called kai. 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 Okay. Now o. After that ka, you have to put this matra. Now it is called ko. 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 Now this is au. How to put this matra after this ka. Now it is called cow. 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 Next one, this dot. How to put above this ka. Now it is called come. 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 This is After this two dots, now it is called kaha, kaha, kaha. Okay. The middle we missed one more letter, one more vowel, riaru. Okay. This symbol, this is the matra. You have to put below this ka. Now it is called crew, crew, crew. Okay. Now you learned how to write, how to join this vowels with consonants and how to pronounce uh, the barak thadi. Okay. This is another example. Ka. Okay. This is ka. This is ka. Okay. Now I pronounce one more time. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kru. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kam. Kaha. This one. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kru. Kru. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kam. Kaha. Okay. To understand the difference between the pronunciation. Okay. Now what is the assignment? You have to write and send all consonants in the above Samaswar Akshar format. I mean half letter, half Hindi letter consonants without vowel sound. Okay. You have to write all consonants, all Vyanjan Akshar in this format. Okay. And the next one, you have to write and send all consonants in the Barak Tadi format. Okay. Barak Tadi. I mean joining of vowels with the consonants. Okay. You have to write in this format. Okay. All consonants, all Vyanjan. You have to write. Okay. What are the Vyanjans you study? Ta series. Next one, Cha series. Ta series. Ta series. Pa series. Okay. Next, Ra series. Next, Sha. Next, Sanyukt Vyanjan. Okay, you have to write all those Vyanjan in this format, Barak, Kadi format. Okay. Then you have to record the pronunciation of Samaswar Akshar, all Samaswar Akshar and all Barak Kadi. Okay, in separate voices and send it. Okay. This is your today's assignment. Thank you so much.